You asked for it and it's finally here. WhatsApp now has an official app for iPad version. No more workaround, no more web version. Yes, you can now finally use WhatsApp independently on your iPad. In this video, I will show you exactly on how to install your WhatsApp and your iPad and what works and what does not works. First off, as you can see, I already downloaded mine, but I've not set up. So, but I'll be taking you through on how to download it, the right one to download, and what you should do before downloading it on your iPad. All you have to do is to head down to the App Store. Head down to the App Store. When you get down to the App Store, just go on your search bar and type WhatsApp for iPad or WhatsApp Messenger. If you tap WhatsApp for iPad, WhatsApp Messenger, there will be a lot of WhatsApp showing you. So for me, you select WhatsApp for iPad free. Now it will open here. There are a lot of WhatsApp messengers. There are a lot of one you will be seeing here. So all you have to do is to download this particular, and if you see very well, see what it's showing you. WhatsApp for iPad, connect on a larger screen. Tap on it. Now I've already downloaded mine, but if you've not downloaded yours, just click on the download button and it will start downloading. Once you're done downloading, but first off, before you download WhatsApp on your iPad, all you have to do is to make sure that your iPad is updated to iOS 16 or later, because when I wanted downloading this iPad, I had difficulties. I was trying to download it, it was not opening, it was not installing. I did not know that my iPad was not up to date, so I had to update it to even the latest iOS 18.1, and now I have my WhatsApp inside my iPad. These are things you need to make sure you have ready before updating it. And secondly, your mobile phone that you're connected to have to be there also. Now that you're done downloading it, let's click on open. It said welcome to WhatsApp, message private with friends. Click continue. Once you click continue, get your phone that your WhatsApp is installed on. Go to your phone WhatsApp, come to this place, just go to your settings, tap on link devices. As you can see, mine is showing I have linked 3 devices. Click on link device, open with your Face ID, then tap OK, then set it up like this. Make sure your phone is open on this page side by side, because it is trying to load your WhatsApp information. Just make sure your screen. Now you have to type in a name. Let me say iPad WhatsApp. Save. Click OK. Now you can now keep your phone one side. Allow notification for WhatsApp. Click continue. Allow. Click allow. Now as you can see, it is exactly same way that is on your iPhone. You can chat. Let's see. You can chat. You can also make video call. Let me try making video call. Now let me try making video call. Let's see if it works. As you can see, video call is going. So video call now works. So cancel. Let's also try making audio call. Now as you can see, audio call is also going. Everything that works on your phone now work independently on your iPad. So WhatsApp has now made it easier for us, most of us that uses iPad on the go. Instead of connecting to WhatsApp web, we now have WhatsApp on our iPad. By the end of the day, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing 10 content like this. See you in my next video.